There is a reason many sacred souls have felt like strangers in the very places where they were born. You didn't arrive. You were not born into this earth and you came empty. You carried a light, and not simply inspiration, but living light, a divine presence capable of restoring what generations believed was permanently broken. Yet light without wisdom is like a seed never placed into fertile ground. Without understanding who you are, why you came here, and what has been entrusted to your spirit, even the brightest soul can spend decades living beneath its true capacity. And that is why so many souls have spent years building other people's dreams while wondering why their own life seemed delayed. The greatest theft was never material. It was convincing people to forget who they were. Once identity is hidden, purpose becomes difficult to recognize. When purpose becomes clouded, your gifts remain unused. And when your gifts remain unused, families, communities, and entire generations lose the healing they were waiting for. There is wealth in your light, and your wealth is beginning with remembering who you are and whose you are. It is the restoration of divine wisdom returning to those who were always meant to carry it. You do not chase vision. You are the vision in human form. Every room you enter receives something it did not possess before you arrived. Every conversation carries the possibility of healing when someone speaks with you. Every honest decision shifts the atmosphere surrounding families, businesses, communities, and future generations. Your spirit was never designed to operate from survival. It was created to build, to restore what has been divided, to reconcile broken bloodlines, to strengthen families, to establish businesses rooted in justice and integrity, to bring wisdom whenever confusion has ruled. Light is not passive. Light reveals and it heals. It exposes deception and it makes growth possible. That is why darkness has always resisted those who carry authentic light. You are always significant, but because genuine light changes everything it touches, you challenged others. And there comes a moment when every soul must decide whether to continue living beneath inherited limitations. You were born with gifts. Are you willing to continue not operating in those gifts and strengthening them and developing yourself to where you are here to walk in purpose and operate in your calling? You are to awaken. You are being called to awaken to the assignment that was placed within you before you ever entered the world. But no one else can make that decision. Every person is invited, not everyone will accept. And if they refuse, they have made their choice. And you will find this among those that you will seek to help or guide or mentor. But when they refuse, when they make their choice, release them with peace. But do not spend your years convincing those who are determined to remain asleep. Individuals will see your gifting, see your purpose, wish to garner the attention, be placed in the limelight, but they would be living off of your blessings. And when they're called to develop, they refuse because they are not made of that same authentic light, and they know it. So it's best believed for them is to stay close enough to you to begin to reap the benefits. But the earth has been waiting for people who remember why they came. And this wealth light transfer is not merely about resources. It is the movement of wisdom, the movement of compassion and righteous leadership and creative solutions, the movement of healing that is carried through ordinary people who finally understand they were never ordinary. The Creator did not send you here to imitate another life. The Creator sent you here because no one else can carry a portion of light exactly as you can. When your light fully awakens, families change. Businesses become places of healing instead of exploitation. Communities begin to flourish. Ancient cycles lose their hold. Future generations inherit something greater than wealth. They inherit wisdom, peace, courage, and hope. This is the true wealth light transfer. So illuminate the world. Thank you for visiting my channel. May your soul be blessed, stay covered, stay conscious, stay undefeated. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.